Hello, everyone. In this video, we will look at the bubble sort algorithm. So bubble sort works this way here. We have, let's say we have 5 numbers. Okay, so now we're going to compare, starting from the beginning, compare 2 consecutive numbers. If they're order, don't do anything. If they're not in order, we're going to swap the 2. So this is in order. So now, and this is also in order. But the next one, 77 and 1, not in order. I'm going to do a swap. And then the next one, 77 and 74, not in order, swap. So that is all. So after this, there's one phase. 77 is at the bottom. So it's also bubble sort is called a sinking sort. So the largest one is sinking to the bottom. Continue to have another phase. So you're going to compare the consecutive 2 numbers. They are in order, and this is not in order. So now, and then this is in order. So 74 is here after this second phase. So this is in place. And I'll continue another phase, and 1 is here, and this is, there's no swap, they're already in order. So finally, and look at the last phase. So everything is in order after this phase, 5 phase. So this is the bubble sort, and here is the implementation for the bubble sort, and this is the algorithm, and so this is the detailed code right here, and this is the implementation. So what is the time complexity? Is for each phase, the maximum number of comparison for the first one is n-1 times. The second phase, n-2. And so this is the last one. 1. Add all together, and that's order of n squared time. That is all for the bubble sort. See you on the next video.